Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share a very simple and effective pocket option 5-minute strategy that uses only one indicator, the super trend indicator. If you're a beginner and looking for an easy strategy that can help you identify the market trend, then this video is for you. Before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more trading strategies and educational content. Now let's get into the strategy. Strategy setup. For this strategy, I am using time frame 5 minutes. The super trend indicator is designed to help traders identify the current market trend. It changes color and position based on price movement, making it easier to understand whether buyers or sellers are controlling the market. Buy trade rules. When the super trend indicator turns bullish and the price starts moving above the super trend line, this indicates that buyers are gaining strength. At this point, we wait for confirmation and enter a buy trade. The most important thing is not to rush into the market. Always wait for the candle to close and confirm the direction before placing your trade. Sell trade rules. When the super trend indicator turns bearish, moving below the super trend line, after confirmation, we can enter a sell trade. Let the market show its direction before taking any position. As you can see on the chart, the super trend indicator gave a clear signal. The market respected the trend direction and started moving accordingly. After getting confirmation, I entered my trade following all the rules of the strategy. The market continued, moving in the expected